What's up, everyone? It's Sabrina, and today we're diving into the world of AI. Specifically, we're checking out Deepseek to see if it has what it takes to dethrone the current champ, ChatGPT. AI is everywhere these days, from the recommendations you get on your favorite streaming service to the tech powering self-driving cars. It's not just about convenience, it's about revolutionizing our daily lives. It's changing how we interact with technology and with each other. From smart home devices that respond to your voice commands to AI-driven customer service that understands your needs. And in the world of AI language models, ChatGPT has been the name on everyone's lips. It's been the go-to for generating human-like text and assisting in countless applications. But there's a new contender entering the ring, and it's called Deepseek. This new AI promises to bring even more advanced capabilities and a fresh perspective to the table. So, if you're ready to see which AI language model comes out on top in this head-to-head battle, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the tech action. Stay tuned, because this is going to be an exciting journey into the future of AI. Alright, let's kick things off with Deepseek. Now, Deepseek is a relatively new player in the AI language model game, but don't let that fool you. Despite its newcomer status, it has already made significant waves in the industry, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. This thing is packing some serious heat. It's not just another AI, it's a powerhouse designed to push the boundaries of what's possible with language models. First off, let's talk about what Deepseek is all about. It's not just a tool, it's a revolution in how we interact with technology. At its core, Deepseek is a generative language model. This means it can create text that is coherent, contextually relevant, and often indistinguishable from text written by a human. That means it's been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, allowing it to generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The sheer volume of data it has processed is staggering, giving it a depth of knowledge that is truly impressive. Think of it like this. Imagine having access to a brain that's absorbed information from millions of books, articles, and websites. It's like having a digital library at your fingertips, ready to provide insights and generate content on demand. That's kind of what Deepseek is working with. It's a vast repository of knowledge, constantly updated and refined to ensure accuracy and relevance. It's got this vast knowledge base that it can tap into to generate some pretty impressive results. Whether you're looking for detailed explanations, creative writing, or technical solutions, Deepseek has you covered. One of the things that really sets Deepseek apart is its focus on understanding and responding to natural language. It's designed to interpret the nuances and subtleties of human communication. What does that mean for you? It means that when you interact with Deepseek, it feels less like you're using a machine and more like you're having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend. It means you can interact with Deepseek in a way that feels more like talking to a person than typing commands into a machine. This human-like interaction is a game changer, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. And that's a big deal. It lowers the barrier to entry, allowing more people to benefit from advanced AI without needing specialized knowledge. It's all about making AI more accessible and intuitive to use. Deepseek's interface is designed with the user in mind, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can navigate and utilize its features with ease. Deepseek wants to break down those barriers and make it easy for anyone to leverage the power of AI, regardless of their technical expertise. It's about democratizing technology and making it available to everyone. Now let's get into some of the specifics. Deepseek isn't just about generating text. It's about creating meaningful and contextually appropriate content. One of the standout features of Deepseek is its ability to generate different creative text formats. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for writers, marketers, developers, and anyone in need of high-quality content. Whether you need to write a poem, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and so on, Deepseek can handle it. Its adaptability is one of its strongest assets. It's like having a multi-talented creative partner at your fingertips. But that's not all. Deepseek's capabilities extend far beyond just creative writing. Deepseek is also incredibly good at answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Its ability to understand and process complex queries is truly remarkable. And here's the kicker. It can even generate different responses based on the context of your query. This contextual awareness allows it to provide more accurate and relevant answers. So, if you ask the same question in two different ways, Deepseek will pick up on the nuances of your language, and provide you with an answer that's tailored to your specific needs. This level of customization is what sets it apart from other AI models. It's that attention to detail that really makes Deepseek stand out from the crowd. Its ability to understand and respond to the intricacies of human language is unparalleled. And let's not forget about its translation capabilities. In a world where communication across languages is increasingly important, Deepseek's translation features are a significant asset. Deepseek can translate languages with impressive accuracy, making it an invaluable tool for communication in our increasingly globalized world. Whether for business, travel, or personal use, its translation capabilities are top-notch. But what really makes Deepseek special is its potential. It's not just about what it can do now, but what it will be able to do in the future. It's still under development, which means it's only going to get more powerful and sophisticated over time. The ongoing improvements and updates ensure that it will continue to evolve and adapt to new challenges. As developers continue to train Deepseek on even larger datasets and refine its algorithms, we can expect to see even more impressive feats of AI ingenuity. The future possibilities are endless. So, to sum it up, Deepseek is a powerful and versatile AI language model that's capable of some pretty amazing things. Its range of capabilities and potential for growth make it a standout in the field of AI. It's user-friendly, adaptable, and constantly evolving. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or just someone curious about AI, Deepseek has something to offer. The future of AI is here, and it's called Deepseek. Now let's shift gears and talk about the reigning champion of the AI language model arena, ChatGPT. This is the one to beat, the one that set the bar, and it's no slouch. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has been making waves in the tech world and beyond. It's been used for everything from writing poetry to coding websites, and it's even been known to hold surprisingly human-like conversations. Just like Deepseek, ChatGPT is built on a foundation of deep learning algorithms. It's been trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text with remarkable accuracy. But what really sets ChatGPT apart is its conversational ability. It's designed to engage in back-and-forth dialogue, remembering previous prompts and responses to create a more natural and engaging experience. It's like having a conversation with a really smart, well-read friend who always has something interesting to say. You can bounce ideas off of it, ask it to clarify points, and even challenge its assumptions. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to generate different creative text formats, just like Deepseek. Whether you need to write a song, a poem, a script, or even a technical document, ChatGPT can rise to the challenge. But what's really impressive is the quality of the output. ChatGPT doesn't just string together random words and phrases. It understands grammar, syntax, and even style, allowing it to produce text that is often indistinguishable from human-written content. Another area where ChatGPT excels is in its ability to answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. It can access and process information from the real world through Google Search and keep its response consistent with search results. So, if you need to know the capital of France, the history of the Roman Empire, or the latest scientific discoveries, ChatGPT can provide you with accurate and up-to-date information. But ChatGPT's talents don't stop there. It's also a master of translation, able to convert text between multiple languages with impressive fluency and accuracy. And because it's constantly being updated and refined by the team at OpenAI, ChatGPT is only getting smarter and more capable over time. So, ChatGPT is a formidable force in the world of AI language models. Its conversational abilities, creative writing prowess, and vast knowledge base make it an incredibly versatile and powerful tool. Beyond its creative and conversational capabilities, ChatGPT is also making strides in specialized fields. For instance, it's being used to assist in medical research, analyzing vast amounts of scientific data to help researchers find new insights. In the legal field, ChatGPT is helping draft documents and conduct research, making the work of lawyers more efficient. It's also being used in customer service, where it can handle queries and provide support with a level of consistency and patience that humans sometimes struggle to maintain. In education, ChatGPT is being used as a tutoring tool, helping students understand complex subjects and providing personalized learning experiences. And in the creative industries, it's generating art, music, and even video game dialogues, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The collaboration between humans and AI like ChatGPT is leading to new and exciting possibilities, enhancing human creativity and productivity. As technology continues to evolve, the potential applications for ChatGPT are virtually limitless. So there you have it. Deepseek and ChatGPT, two titans of the AI language model arena. Both are incredibly powerful tools capable of some pretty mind-blowing feats. But which one comes out on top? Honestly, it's a tough call. Deepseek's intuitive design and focus on natural language processing make it incredibly user-friendly, while ChatGPT's conversational prowess and established track record are hard to beat. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. But one thing's for sure, the future of AI language models is bright, and I can't wait to see what innovations emerge in the coming years. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic tech showdowns.